We're increasingly working within more uncertainty and being asked to design solutions to problems we don't entirely understand. We're living a constant dance between chaos and order, where the world is either too controlled or too out of control. This space between chaos and order, which we call the chaotic space, is where new things emerge. We can get stuck in our organizations because we don't know what it means to lead, innovate, and organize in this space of uncertainty and complexity.
Based on the work of D. Hawk and the growing field of complexity science, the chaotic stepping stones have been created as a tool to help us navigate this chaotic space. The stepping stones show us where we can put our feet as we walk between chaos and order. Even in the space of complexity, practice can be quite simple. From our work with this tool over the past 20 years, we've identified 9 stepping stones that take us through 3 main stages: inviting, implementing, and structuring.
Inviting. In this first stage, we explore the questions: how do we invite people into participatory spaces? How do we make the best use of multiple and diverse perspectives? How do we sense where we are now and make decisions about where to go together? The first 4 stepping stones are need, purpose, principles, and people. Implementing. Good strategy produces sustainable outputs. How can we work with each other in a participatory way to produce effective results and support action over time? Here we look at outputs and the architecture of implementation. Structuring. How do we structure our work in a way that allows it to evolve as we learn more about what we're doing? We begin by designing a concept, addressing our limiting beliefs about it, and then resourcing it with time, attention, and money. Here, the chaotic stepping stones are concept, limiting beliefs, and structure.
As part of the work that we do with Beehive Productions, helping people address challenging endeavors in more collaborative ways, we invite you to join us and Chris Corrigan for this course, which is like no other course we have offered so far. It will be a practical, hands-on applications of the tools and the principles of chaotic design. And you'll be part of creating the book that Chris is writing on this topic. So bring your projects and let's get to work together.